Hello, my name is Dr. Suma. I'm a consultant working at 49 Fertility Center, Vijayawada. How do I conceive naturally? This is one of the most common questions I get to hear from couples who are trying for a baby. So many a times couples try for pregnancy for days and months and sometimes even years together, and as the delay gets longer, it builds up their anxiety and stress. So what are the things that you can follow to improve your chances of conceiving naturally? First and foremost, know your cycle. So know your fertile period and know when you should have intercourse to improve your chances of getting pregnancy. So, in a lady who's having regular cycles, most often the ovulation occurs around the 14th day of their cycle. So, having intercourse around the time of ovulation will definitely improve her chances of conceiving. So, usually we ask the lady to keep a track of her menstrual cycles, and going 14 days backward from her date of menses will tell us the approximate day of ovulation. Having intercourse 4 to 5 days before the day of ovulation to 2 to 3 days after the day of ovulation will definitely improve her chances of pregnancy, because the sperm actually has a natural lifespan of about 3 days to almost 1 week. So having the sperms within the reproductive tract during the time of ovulation will definitely enhance her chances of fertilization and pregnancy. Second thing, there are a few tips that the female should follow to improve her chances of pregnancy. First and foremost is eat healthy. So eat lot of food which contains antioxidants like fresh foods, fresh vegetables, a lot of seeds, and some amount of dry fruits as well. Refrain from eating junk food, oily food, and anything that will increase her weight. Second thing is avoid stress. So, avoiding stress is a real challenge in the current day, considering so many challenges everybody faces. But how do you tackle that stress is very important. So, do something to maintain your calm, and that will really help a lot. Third thing is concentrate and see that you have a good amount of sleep time. So 6 to 8 hours of uninterrupted sleep will really help reduce your stress levels. It causes a hormonal balance which will enhance your chances of fertility. Now coming to the man. So the man is also equally responsible for infertility these days, and he can also take certain precautions to enhance his fertility. First is for avoid smoking, avoid alcohol, avoid anything that can reduce your sperm count. So don't get exposed to too much of heat. Exercise regularly but moderately. Too much of exercise is also not good for you. Avoid wearing tight undergarments. Reduce your stress, concentrate that you have good amount of sleep, and maintain your weight as well. So obesity or very less weight also, both ends of the spectrum are not good for your fertility. Last but not the least, definitely there are a few habits which both of them should completely avoid. So smoking, alcohol, too much of caffeine, not more than 2 cups of coffee in a day. So maintaining a healthy lifestyle is a key to your fertility, and be aware of certain problems where you have to consult your doctor immediately. So if you've been trying for more than 1 year and the female partner is less than 35 years, it is time for you to consult your doctor. And if you've been trying for 6 months and the female partner is more than 35 years, it is time for you to consult a doctor. And if you have any other problems like irregular cycles, or the husband is known to have a varicocele, or any problem which could actually cause difficulty in your fertility, 6 months of natural trial is what is recommended, after which you should seek help. And seeking help early will help us treat you with a very simple medications, and the later you come, the more complex the treatment becomes, and the lesser the success rate is as well. Thank you.